Unraveling Stuff and Nonsense, a dive into English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in books, movies, or even conversations: stuff and nonsense. This expression has a rich history and a unique place in English, and understanding it can add flair to your language skills. So, let's get started and explore what it truly means. Stuff and nonsense is a quintessentially English expression used to dismiss something as absurd or untrue. It's a way to express skepticism or disbelief towards what someone else has said or suggested. When someone uses this phrase, they're not just doubting the validity of a statement. They're also imparting a sense of its ridiculousness or lack of seriousness. The phrase, stuff and nonsense, has roots that go deep into the history of the English language. It first made its appearance in literature and colloquial speech in the 19th century. Stuff, in this context, refers to material or matter with a connotation of triviality or unimportance, while nonsense directly refers to something that makes no sense. Together, they pack a punch in dismissing an idea or statement. Using stuff and nonsense correctly can add a playful or emphatic tone to your conversation. Here are a few examples to guide you. In disagreement, you say a cat can speak? Stuff and nonsense. To express disbelief. They're planning to move to Mars next year? Stuff and nonsense. As a playful rebuke. You think you can beat me in chess without even trying? Stuff and nonsense. While stuff and nonsense might seem like a simple expression, it holds a mirror to the British penchant for understatement and polite skepticism. It embodies a cultural attitude of taking things with a grain of salt and not accepting everything at face value. Understanding such phrases enriches your comprehension of the cultural nuances of English. We hope this exploration of stuff and nonsense has been both informative and entertaining. This phrase is a perfect example of how language is not just a tool for communication but also a reflection of history, culture, and personality. So next time you come across a situation that seems utterly unbelievable, you'll have the perfect English expression to respond with. Remember, learning a language is also about embracing its quirks and expressions. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to sprinkle your conversations with a bit of stuff and nonsense for that authentic English touch. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.